Hi everybody! So for a change, I have brought some very interesting words for you. We regularly use lot of very in our language. बहुत use करने की आदत है हमें, right? So in English we say very scared, very big, very crowded. So I have got some interesting words which can be replaced by very words here. Okay, so now we'll be learning words. So get on the couch and start learning. So the first word is very scared. So instead of using very scared, we can use the word petrified or terrified. It will do the justice to it, and it'll look more formal. And of course, you look much more advanced in English skills. For example, I get petrified by the reptilia class, especially the snakes. यहाँ पे आप कह रहे हो मैं बहुत डर जाती हूँ. I'm very scared. So what you're saying? I'm terrified or I'm petrified with the snakes. The second word of the day is very angry. Here we could use, instead of very angry, indignant or enraged. The indignant customer complained about the bad service provided by the airline. Okay, so हम बोलेंगे not in the way very angry customer. Instead we say the enraged customer or the indignant customer. Okay, the third word of the day is very big. Very big की जगह पे you can use gigantic or enormous. याद रखिए, very big instead of that, gigantic or enormous. The storm on the ocean created gigantic waves or enormous waves. Okay. Very crowded. Instead of that, we would say cramped or jam-packed. So, I'm sure people have learned to stay home during the lockdown, and even post-lockdown, they would take a lot of care not going or avoiding the jam-packed areas, or we can say cramped areas instead of very crowded. So this looks very formal when you use your words. Now, very interesting. Instead of that, we can say fascinating. For example, I heard a very interesting story. Instead of that, I can use I heard a fascinating story. Okay. Very open. Very open means we can use this word. Instead of very open, we can say transparent. For example, in the corporate, the communication needs be very open at times. So, the communication need to be very transparent at times. Not even in corporate, even at home, the communication need be very transparent. Very transparent की ज़रूरत ही नहीं. What will you say? The communication at home should be transparent enough. Yeah, instead of very open communication. Now, very honest. Very honest. We can replace it with straightforward or frank. या तो straightforward use कर लीजिए या frank. You don't have to say I'm very honest. Instead, use I'm very straightforward or I'm a very frank person. Okay? Or Radhika gives a very straightforward response. Very poor. Instead of very poor, we can use destitute or impoverished. Remember, instead of very poor, use the word destitute or impoverished. And how do I use it? We drove through the impoverished neighborhood. ठीक है? Very poor neighborhood की जगह पे we are saying the destitute neighborhood or we are saying impoverished neighborhood. Now, very rich. This can be replaced as with well off or prosperous or wealthy. है ना कमाल? देखो, आपको very rich बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको उसको और formalize करने के लिए और अपने आप को advanced दिखाने के लिए you can use these words. So you can just say New York was once upon the time the most prosperous city before coronavirus. But coronavirus has hit the city very bad. Okay? So I hope you have enjoyed these words. Please and please try to make use of them. Instead of very scared, use petrified or terrified. Instead of very angry, use indignant or enraged. Instead of very big, use gigantic or enormous. Instead of very crowded, use cramped or jam-packed. Instead of very interesting, use fascinating. Instead of very open, use transparent. Instead of very honest, use straightforward or frank. Instead of very poor, use destitute or impoverished. Instead of very rich, use well-off, prosperous or wealthy. So I'm sure I have enriched your English today, haven't I? Anyways, hope you had a great time with me. Take care. Bye-bye. See you again.